1965 Chevrolet Corvette convertible 4-speed. Price, $59,950. Location, Boston. The 1965 Chevrolet Corvette convertible is one of the most iconic American sports cars ever created. And this rally red example looks like it just drove straight out of the golden age of performance. With its aggressive curves, hidden headlights, and unmistakable C2 styling, this Corvette delivers the perfect combination of muscle, elegance, and vintage racing spirit that still captures attention everywhere it goes. The powerful 327 cubic inch V8 engine under the hood gives this Corvette the kind of sound that instantly excites car enthusiasts. Paired with a highly desirable 4-speed manual transmission, this classic machine offers a raw and engaging driving experience that modern sports cars simply cannot recreate. Every shift feels mechanical. Every acceleration feels alive. And every second behind the wheel reminds drivers why the mid-1960s Corvette became an American legend. The exterior design remains absolutely timeless. Finished in factory rally red with brilliant chrome bumpers and classic side vents, this Corvette looks stunning from every angle. The hidden headlights add a futuristic touch that was revolutionary during its era, while the black convertible soft top gives the car two completely different personalities. Top up, it looks refined and elegant. Top down, it transforms into the ultimate open-air cruiser, built for sunny highways and unforgettable weekend drives. The interior keeps the authentic spirit of the 1960s alive with bucket seats, analog gauges, center-mounted clock, and a driver-focused cockpit layout. Unlike modern cars overloaded with screens and electronics, this Corvette keeps the experience pure and connected. The AM/FM Delco radio, manual windows, and classic dashboard design create an atmosphere that instantly transports you back to one of the greatest decades in automotive history. The year 1965 was also incredibly important for Corvette history because it marked the first year Chevrolet introduced standard 4-wheel disc brakes. That engineering upgrade significantly improved stopping power and performance, helping the Corvette compete against some of the world's best sports cars. Combined with power steering and the legendary V8 engine, this example represents a major turning point in the evolution of the Corvette brand. The overall presence of this Corvette is simply unforgettable. From the thunderous V8 soundtrack to the sharp body lines and classic convertible styling, this car delivers everything collectors and enthusiasts dream about in a vintage American sports car. Whether parked at a car show, cruising through downtown streets, or roaring down an open highway, this 1965 Chevrolet Corvette convertible has the kind of charisma that instantly attracts cameras, crowds, and attention everywhere it appears.